So I found a trick where you can open the hood, open the driver door, and then obviously have the ignition on. Go into settings, scroll down to vehicle info, scroll down to oil level, and then press cruise control cancel button twice. Hey there everybody. So today we're going to be changing the oil on a 2014 Range Rover Sport Supercharged. It's the 5.0. So first thing, let's get the hood open and take the top cover off, and then open the oil cap, and then we'll go under the car. There's the cover that we have to take off, and then drain all the oil. Close it, go up top, take the filter off, change the filter, add oil, and put everything back. Simple as that. So first, let's get under the hood. Let's first take this cover off. It should just come right up. It just clips in. So take this off. Next thing is you'll see that this is a 5.0 Supercharged. Here we have the oil filter, and then here we have the oil cap. So let's take the oil cap first. Get it off. Let's put it right here. Next thing, we're gonna get the car lifted, drain all the oil, and then we're gonna come up and replace the oil filter after. We've got the car jacked up. Now we have to take off this undercover. There's just a couple of these bolts, so let's take those off, and then we'll have access to the drain plug. So let's get this cover off. So we've got the cover off. Now let's get this bolt off and drain all the oil. Here's the bolt. It's just a 13 millimeter. Let's loosen it up. Put the drain thing here and just take the bolt off. And we should get all the oil. Hopefully it doesn't go everywhere. Oh boy, we sure did get a little. So here comes the oil. We're just gonna wait and move this thing as we need to make sure all the oil goes inside of here, not on my floor. So while we wait for all the oil to drain, let's get this oil filter off and put a new one in. Here's how I'm gonna take it off. So I have this oil filter tool. I just got under this air intake thing. I put it on and just like that. So it seems like filter's fully unscrewed. Just take it out, put it in the rag so I don't get oil everywhere. So let's take this filter out. If I can do it with one hand. There it goes. So here's the old filter, and let me go get the new one. Replace the seal. So I wiped it, and then I put some new oil on the new ring. Now let's get it installed. Make sure I get it in the right position, because I've seen people don't put it all the way on or not fully on, and then they have oil leaks. So if you can see, there's a little spot for it right there. Yes, it needs to go right inside of here. There it goes. Perfect. Now let's get this filter in here. Should just go on. Yep. Clip it in. Boom. All right, so new filter's on, new O-ring is on. Now let's put this back in here. And then I'll just tighten it right now, and then I'll go close the drain plug, put the cover on, and we'll add some oil, and that should be it. So we've got all the oil out. Let's just wipe this a little. Get the plug, put it back on. And then I'll wipe it more, I'll tighten it, and then we'll put the cover. Now let's add oil. Hopefully we don't spill everywhere. And that should be all for today. I've done all the oil change, and I was trying to check the oil. So in order to check the oil level, I took a first spin. I was waiting, still wasn't showing me. It was saying that oil level not available. So I found a trick where you can open the hood, open the driver door, and then obviously have the ignition on. Go into settings, scroll down to vehicle info, scroll down to oil level, and then press cruise control cancel button twice. So see, it says not available. This is what I had before. And then if you double click it, it says engine oil level okay. So that's a little trick to get your oil level if you don't want to wait, which might not be as accurate if you wait 10 minutes for all the oil to go down, but this is a good little hack. And so my oil level is good, so we're done with the oil change. If you guys have any questions or anything, just comment below. Let me know if there's anything that I've done wrong maybe, but this process seemed to be pretty simple. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.